So that's one of my Clickbank account, Clickbank results, Clickbank sales, and all these things, right? In this video, I'm going to show you how you guys can start affiliate marketing with Facebook ads and spend only $10 on ads, and you guys are able to get your first sale. I'm going to show you a very specific technique. All you need to do is watch till the end, and I can tell you like 70 to 80% people will start able to get their first sale with just watching this video. All you need to do is watch till the end, and I can tell you like surely 70 to 80%, not 100%, but 70 to 80% people will get your first sale after watching this and implementing that top. So first, head over to Clickbank Marketplace and click on the top offers, because right now we have only $10 to spend on ads. So we are not able to select any offer, okay, because we need a very specific offer that is must be converted the moment we start running $10 a day. Okay, so if you select any of these offers, most likely these offers is not convert, because you need little bit higher budget, like 30, 50, $100 a day, between $30 to $100 a day to promote these offers based on different strategies. But $10 is very less for these to be very honest, products and offers if you guys are promoting. For that, there's a very specific product I found, or you call it very specific offer, that I'm going to show you how we are going to promote. Let's go to digistore.com. So because that offer only exists in Digistore, so you guys similar platform Clickbank and Digistore. The moment you are in Digistore, all you need to do is simply click on digital products, and you guys are able to see health and fitness. Click this and simply go to page number 2, and you guys can see few of these offers. So that's the offer. The name of this offer is called the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. Okay, so it's basically a keto meal plan, but the offer these people created is like crazy. I'm gonna explain you what exactly the offer is, and then I'm gonna show you why we are able, if you guys are completely beginner, you will start able to spend $10 a day and you will start able to see sales and results. Okay, so you guys can see average order value, basically average sale is $84. And you guys can see the cart conversion is really high, and the refund rate 85% commission. So quickly, let's go to the sales page. Click this. Okay, so that's the sales page. Now I'm gonna explain the offer, so make sure you guys must pay close attention so you guys understand why I selected this offer, because we have like very limited budget and I selected this very specific offer, and I'm gonna explain that offer quickly. Okay, so just pay attention, do not pause this video, do not like just fast, just watch it. Okay, so first, that's the video, and the moment you read it, like watch the full video, right? Basically watch the full video and you will get the download keto recipe access will appear at the end of the video basically. Okay, if you watch the video, the download access will automatically appear. Now if someone watches basically 2-3 minutes video, something like this, and if you scroll down, you guys can see yes I want, and you guys can see small testimonial. Okay, so the moment you click it, I'm going to explain right now, you will automatically redirect you to basically the checkout page, and now that's the offer. The offer is like, if someone click this, they will get the access of this keto recipe or ultimate keto cookbook, and after 7 days you guys can see they will pay $29 and you will get commission. But if these people will also buy upsells, and the moment this is basically order bump, and order bump people buy, you will get instant commission, and people will also buy like upsells, so you guys can also able to get instant commissions. But the second option is people will pay instantly and you will get the commission instantly. People will also buy basically order bump and upsell, so you will also able to get commissions like instantly. Okay, so it depends, like if someone buys a trial version and after $29 after 7 days, you will get the commission after 7 days. But if someone buys right now, you will get the commission right now. But what happened is, like after this order bump, people also go and buy the upsells. They will show you the supplement upsells, and people will buy these upsells. You will also get the instant commission. But one of the best thing is like you will 100% get the commission, and it's a really low ticket offer. And the offer these people created, they're providing the product first and said like, we just give us money like after 7 days. So this kind of product converts phenomenal, and if you are only have like $10 on ad spend, so this offer will crush it for you. I'm gonna show you everything step by step. Okay, so I selected this offer. You guys can also select this offer. And one last thing, I'm not gonna guarantee like everyone make money, but at least 80% I can surely tell you, but 80% I can tell you, you will able to see sales and results. Let's go, I'm gonna show you how. So simply go back and simply click this and copy or get your affiliate link. Okay, so you guys can also go to like affiliate page. They also provided a lot of things. So if you go there, you guys can see they also provided you a lot of things in the affiliate page, but to be honest, we don't normally need. And one more a very important thing I'm going to explain here. So normally what these people do, these people literally send these people to the opt-in page, so these people able to collect the emails. Okay, and you guys can see collecting the emails. For example, Facebook ads collect the emails, and these people also follow up through emails if someone did not buy. Okay, so that's a really good funnel. But right now we are not using or capture the email. The reason is we have only $10 to spend on ads, and if you have only $10, then basically what happen is, like, if you just capture the emails, you will get like only 1-2 emails a day, so the email cost will be go high, so the conversion rate of your landing page goes really down. So I recommend, because we have only $10 a day on ads, so we just ignore this one. Okay, so we are going with like landing page, so you guys can also able to see more things if you want. Now let's go back. So the next step is we are going to create a landing page. Okay, so normally you can also create an opt-in page, so you guys able to collect emails, but I told you like conversion rate will be really low because we are spending like only $10 a day. So I suggest go with like landing page, so you guys can able to see results really fast under 3 days. I'm gonna also explain that. Okay, so first quickly I'm gonna click this, I'm gonna add a new page, and I'm going to create a landing page, and the landing page is going to be very simple. Quickly I'm gonna explain what kind of landing page I'm gonna create. Simply click, and I'm gonna click on these 3 things and simply click publish. Okay, so first I'm gonna click this. Quickly I'm gonna create a very simple, very basic landing page, and it's going to be one of the simplest landing page I'm gonna create, and I'm gonna also tell you why I've created this. Okay, so first this, click this, drag and drop, click this, styling, go with like border, I'm gonna go with like 5, and next is I'm gonna also add a shadow, and now you guys can see this is how it looks like. Next thing is I'm gonna add my headline. Simply click here, simply go with this one and go with like, for example, 900, and in here now I'm gonna copy and paste my headline here. So now you guys can see I copy and paste my headline, like download ultimate keto meal plan. Second, I'm gonna duplicate this, I'm gonna change the font here, I'm gonna go with like something like this one, and now you guys can see this is how it looks like. Secretly used by big celebrities. Okay, so I just changed the color to red. You guys can easily able to change the colors from here. So download ultimate keto meal plans secretly used by big celebrities. And last thing is I'm gonna add a small headline here. So simply drag and drop, and you guys can write your content here like this. Give me a second. So right now you guys can see I added like most celebrities use this keto recipes for their weight, available for next 28 people, or you guys can add anything, so I can able to build urgency or little bit scarcity, whatever. And next thing is I'm going to add an image, definitely a simple image. Quickly I'm gonna upload from my PC. The next thing is you guys can see this is how it looks like. Next I'm gonna add my, you call it the button, so there you go, button. Simply drag and drop here. I'm gonna go with like download now. Now I'm gonna just literally change the color to something pink, and somehow like red looks good like this. And next thing is I'm going to increase the size a little bit. Now you guys can see this is how it looks like. So in here you guys can paste your affiliate link here that you've got like from Digistore24. Once it's done, then all you need to do is simply click publish, and boom. So you guys can see quickly I'm going to first show you the landing page so you guys can understand. It is one of the most simplest landing page I've created. You guys can see the main headline, small headline, the image, and simply click download now. There is no content, nothing, because that offer is kind of, we market like it's a free download, but it's not basically a free download. Okay, because that offer is we try to market like it's a free, but it's not a free. Okay, so this is why you don't need a lot of content, a lot of things. It's a very low ticket offer, and it's a really great offer. So normally I suggest go with like capture the emails if you're spending like $40-50 a day, but if you're spending $10 a day, I don't recommend to go with like capture the emails. Okay, so the moment is done, I'm going to show you one more thing. I've created 2 landing pages, and I'm going to show you why. The first is this one, and the second one is this landing page. Okay, so you guys can see I only changed the image, and you guys can see I created this image totally from AI. And how I created that image, quickly I'm going to show you in next steps. So you guys can see one, and that's going to be the second image, directly keto, and that's the image. So I will test like which landing page converts the best. So I'm gonna also able to change the headlines to test which landing page best, but I'm gonna test if that one works or second one works, and the moment which one gets me more than 40% CTR, I'm gonna stick with that landing page. So this is how I test landing pages. First, if your landing page is not getting like higher CTR, first I suggest change the basically the headline, and second is change the image. You will see the drastic difference if you change one of these things. Okay, once it's done, now let's go. I'm going to show you what's our next. The next step is head over to Facebook ads library. I'm in the Facebook ads library right now. Okay, so it's just simply click on United States or UK, any platform, any country basically. Okay, and next is you need to type like keto recipes, keto meal plan, keto cookbook, something like this related to keto. And now you guys can see like 480 plus ads. You guys can see, you will able to see their ad copies, you will able to see their images. You guys can also able to see all their headlines and the landing pages. And we are going to create something like this one, but you guys can see this person is selling. We are not saying like shop now, we are going to tell them download now. Okay, I'm gonna explain. So you don't need a very next level creative, you need a basic creatives, and this offer works. Okay, you don't need to be create high quality videos or like image ads or one of the best things. No, with this specific offer, you can create these kind of like basically what we call the images, and it will works really well. And I'm going to show you one thing. I use like two things. Like first, I use AI to create the images. Second, I use Google. Or third, you can grab the images from your phone on your home kitchen. Just go to your kitchen, grab few images from like few recipes in your fridge or something like this. And these are also works really well. Okay, quickly I'm gonna explain. So first thing is I use Leonardo. So you guys can see I created like few of these images, and you guys can also able to see I just use, to be honest, these are not really good, it's very polished, but one of these images are really good, so I can use in ads in my landing page, something like this. Second, I just go to like Google and I type like keto meal raw or keto cookbook or keto recipe, something like this you need to type. So you need an authentic image. So I found like a really good cupcake type of images. It looks really good for me. I really want to eat that. That's why I grabbed that image, because it grabs my attention. So most likely it will grab other people's attention. That's why I just selected that image. The moment you got the images in your PC, next step is we need to edit these images. Very little editing. Okay, let's go. So the next, head over to canva.com. So almost everyone know what is Canva is. We are able to edit images and multiple things. So there's a high chance you guys also use Canva. Okay, so the moment in Canva, I just copy and paste that image I got from Google, and I just type like download keto cookbook, or you just type download keto recipe or something like this. And second is the image I use. It's a Lady Gaga. I just created through AI. And basically you guys can see that recipe spellings are like they have mistakes a little bit, but we can use this image and just download keto cookbook. So again, I'm gonna basically create multiple image ads, so I can see which ad performs the best. Which one performs the best, I will keep running that ad. Okay, so because I told you need to test it, we don't know like which one works the best, so you have to test multiple images. To be very honest, you don't need a lot of video ads for this specific offer. If you go with like simple image ads like this that I show you, it will work. Okay, so the next step is we are going to create a Facebook ad, and I'm going to show you one of the simplest technique to run a Facebook ad, and you will start able to see results in next 3 days. Okay, I'm not gonna guarantee everyone you will start able to see results, but I can tell you like 70 up to 80% people will start able to see results, and they will also able to see sales in their dashboard, in their Digistore account, because the strategy I'm going to show you, it's proven work. But again, it's not going to work for 100% people, but 70 to 80% people will see results in just 3 days. All you need to do is implement. I show you all the basic process, landing page, ad creatives. Now I'm going to show you the Facebook ad. Okay, so all you need to do is implement, and I can tell you, you will able to get your first sale with this method in just 3 days. Again, it's not guaranteed, but at least 70-80% people will definitely see. The moment you get results, at least comment below on this video. Okay, so let's go. So that's one of my Facebook ad account, you guys can see. So this ad is got like 86 sales yet. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create a new campaign. Simply click this and select a sales campaign, and next thing is you guys just type anything. For example, let's say like keto, and next thing is we go with like ad set budget. We don't go with like CBO. Okay, so go with like ad set budget. Simply click next, and in here you guys can see, click this, we go with like single website. So now you guys can see I added a name like Broad USA and 18 to 65. That's the age I'm going to target. It's going to be only one ad set because you guys only have $10 to spend on ads. So that's going to be the simplest strategy. Broad, United States, or you guys can also target Canada if you guys want. 18 to 65 plus, website, conversions, simply select your pixel and select the purchase. Simple as that. Because we have $10 a day, so I told you just go with like $10 a day. Just simply scroll down, click on this and switch audience. So simply select United States, go with like 18 to 65, male, female, both. We are not gonna touch any demographic targeting or anything, just completely broad, and do not touch anything. Simply click next. So you guys can see it says like conversion and all these things. Just ignore all these things, simply click next. So you guys can add your ad name, then simply scroll down, and in here what we are going to do is we are going to add our landing page link here, and scroll down. In here we are going to upload our image ad, our ad copy, and our headline. So give me a second, quickly I'm going to upload and I'm going to show you. So you guys can see I uploaded my image ad. Second, you guys can see my basically the ad copy. It's a little bit big ad copy, but you guys can see I use a celebrity angle, or marketing angle is celebrity angle, and it normally works the best, to be very honest. But we have to test definitely celebrity angle. Now scroll down, you guys can see I added like headline, celebrity secretly use this keto recipe. And now scroll down, one more thing, you guys can see it says learn more. We just turn into the download, okay? And this will works really well, because if you just select the download, so in people's mind, like just click this and download. Okay, so what happened is people will click on our ad and they will redirect you to landing page. They will also click on download button and they will redirect you to VSL. And that VSL, the conversion rate is extremely high. The reason is it says like, first, it's extremely a low ticket offer. Second, they say like we give you the product and you give us money after 7 days. Means you test the product, use the product, and then give us money. So because of that thing, the conversion rate is really high, and you will start able to see results in just 3 days. So the moment it's done, then all you need to do is simply click publish. Okay, so the moment it's published, you will start able to see all the numbers and results the moment your campaign has been running. But I can tell you in just next 3 days, you will start able to see sales. I'm not going to guarantee everyone, but 70 to 80% will start able to see sales with this method, and we are only spending $10 a day. So if, for example, someone not seeing sales, there's more likely chance you have to check your landing page CTR. Second, you also have to check like your creative is working well. You also go to like Facebook comments, like you have to see like people are what kind of comments people are doing, because that's also one of the most important things. Okay, and if you want to learn how I promote supplement offers step by step, so you guys can click this and watch this video.